In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize quick access toolbar in Microsoft Word. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so to add shortcuts or quick access, it is pretty simple. You can do it in Microsoft Word. All you need to do is to go ahead and open a blank Word document or any Word document, then head to Files here, and then go to Options down here. Now, if you click on this, go ahead and click on Quick Access Toolbar. Here you can see we have quite a number of popular commands that you can add to your quick access list. So for instance, if you want to add quick access for insert picture, just go ahead and click on it. And once you have clicked or selected it, now you can go ahead and click on add. By clicking on add, it will be added to your customized quick access toolbar list. Now go ahead and click on OK to save the changes, and now you'll have added this. If you wish to remove them, you can as well go ahead and click on Option again, and then go ahead and click on Quick Access Toolbar and click on any of the shortcuts that you added or the quick access you added, and then click on Remove. So that's how you can customize quick access toolbar in Microsoft Word. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.